Hi, my name is Princess Moore, and today I'll be talking with you guys about uncovering true personalities. I really hope after the end of this video, I encourage you guys to know more about your favorite artist so you can know what kind of person that you're supporting. For example, one of my favorite artists is R. Kelly. And so R. Kelly is a well-known R&B singer and songwriter. He has been in the music industry for over 30 years. He's idolized by a lot of people from not only our generation, but our parents and even grandparents as well. Some of his main hits are Ignition Remix, Step in the Name of Love, I Believe I Can Fly, I Wish, and many more.
There's a difference between R. Kelly and Robert. R. Kelly's this fun, laughing, loving guy. But Robert is the devil, is the devil, is the devil.
R. Kelly is at the top of the charts, but he may be in for a fall. He was arrested today on 21 counts of child pornography.
Kelly is accused of videotaping himself having sex with an underage girl.
Taking advantage of minors will not be tolerated.
Jurors found him not guilty on all charges.
Robert has said all along he would be cleared of these terrible charges.
Shame on you!
Shame on you!
Shame on you!
Shame on you!
Mute R. Kelly!
Mute R. Kelly!
Mute R. Kelly!
Mute R. Kelly!
We got a tip that she's here.
She's not in
R. Kelly has denied accusations that he's holding women against their will in a sex cult.
Dave said he loved you so much. I should have never introduced her to him. I should have never introduced my family to him.
He's the puppet master. It was very scary because I knew at that moment I had a secret.
Sparkle is alleged to have received significant payment.
I didn't take the money because I can't be bought. He ain't a monster by himself. It took some help.
I'm just ready to get the hell out of there.
Black women don't get the same recognition as our white counterparts. And I wish that would change.
A grown man, 50-something years old. That's not acceptable, nowhere. Nowhere.
My main reason of showing you guys this clip is to make sure you understand, like, these things can take a negative turn once you do know who your artist is and what they support or what they do. For example, with R. Kelly, he was my favorite artist. So growing up, I would hear my mom play all these different types of songs by him, and I thought it was good. And I thought, okay, R. Kelly's a cool person, music's nice. But then I knew these things about him, and that made my perception of him change because I didn't want to support that. And it's just, and then listen to those women talk and the music, it all goes together and it doesn't sound right and it makes you feel gross. So that's one of the main reasons why I stopped listening to him. And it's another reason and example of why I showed you that video, so you can know there's negative effects to these type of things. Next, we'll be talking about Drake. He's more of a, like, the positive way to look at things, like a positive way to look at it. If you listen to somebody, you can have a deep connection with them, and you'll be like, okay, this person's cool, and you see all these good things they done, and it makes you feel good, all that good stuff. So through Drake, though Drake is known for hits like Highline Bling and God's Plan, he should also be recognized for the charitable work he has done for people in various communities. One notable thing he has done within one of his music videos was donate $25,000 to the Miami Senior High School and announced he'll also be donating OVO design and uniforms. For example, during Drake's rise to stardom, many millennials would make fun of his music because it was so sentimental. Now people idolize this type of music since being more in your feelings is, like, acceptable. His music adequately portrays who he is as a person, which makes him more relatable to everyday people, which calls for support to share a deeper connection and support him as an artist as well. My next point is taking action. When you make deeper connections with the influencers and artists that you like, it encourages the opportunity for you to give back to the same causes. After doing this whole project for all these months, the whole semester, it made me realize how I should take action and how I should just really do more as a fan for the weekend to continue to keep it pushing and support him as a person as well, not just a fan, and to show my support back. It's to like give like thanks to all his work and all he's done. That's what made me want to continue, like maybe like fun charities that he supported, like St. Jude or Ethiopia studies in Canada. It makes me want to really like help that cause, because I just want to give back, because he's been such a good person and he's just a good artist, and also I really like him as an artist. So in conclusion, I would like to say try to dig deeper into an artist's inner personality to unleash a deeper meaning to the music or content they release. It will either deter you from the music or encourage you to take action to be better, to better the community around you. I would like for you guys to take action as well. And my last point is to really look into who you guys supporting and see if that makes you want to do more for your favorite artist. If so, how could you support your favorite artist, and how could you give back to show like, oh, I support you? And my name is Princess Moore, and that's the end of my speech. Thank you. And this is my works cited page.